The E63S is truly a marvel, boasting a twin-turbo V8 churning out 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Its 9-speed transmission effortlessly distributes power to all four wheels, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road. But beyond its raw power, the E63S offers a luxurious sanctuary within its cabin, complete with air suspension for a smooth ride. Its versatility is unmatched, making it a standout among super sedans. As its final production year approaches, its unique blend of performance and comfort will be sorely missed. Engine, transmission, and performance. The E63S boasts a twin-turbo 603 HP V8, offering both smoothness in comfort mode and ferocity in sportier modes. It hits 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds, with a thrilling engine sound reminiscent of AMG's older V8 South. The steering is precise, and while the ride is softer in default mode, it can be tightened for spirited driving. Despite its power, the suspension has been softened based on customer feedback, but it still thrives on pushing limits. Join us as we bid adieu to an automotive legend, the Mercedes-AMG E63S Final Edition. Limited to just 999 units, this grand finale marks the end of an era for the W213 E-Class. With its 604 bhp, 4.0-litre bi-turbo V8 engine, this ultimate iteration ensures a memorable send-off before hybridization takes over with the next generation.